My interpretation of Sumi-e art on polymer clay, no paint or pens. From traditional bamboo to landscapes, abstract designs, cheeky cats, cute birds are done with simple tools. Koi fish, squids to cherry blossoms. I have a tutorial on Etsy for sale, Confetti Floral Brooch, which will teach you the strokes for creating fields of flowers and the confetti floral designs. Once you learn the basics from my tutorial, Confetti Floral Brooch, it won't be long before you will be making your own little works of art in polymer clay, which are inspired from the art of Sumi-e.